Hello and welcome to the introductory course for R. My name is Dario and I will show you how to use the basic functions of R and RStudio over the next few lessons. The first lesson will be about the installation and setup of R and RStudio. To get R, simply Google download R and go to the CRAN homepage. From there, download the appropriate setup for your operating system. In my case, this would be Windows, but there are also installers for Mac and Linux. Also download RStudio from the RStudio homepage. Make sure to download the free version and choose the correct installer for your operating system. First install R and follow the setup instructions. Then install RStudio. When the installation is complete, start RStudio and have a look at the user interface. Here you can see four main panels. In the top left, there's the script. This is where you write and execute R code. Below that is the console panel. Here you will see general text output from R, like results, values, or error messages. In the top right is your environment, which contains a list of all your data, objects, and variables. It is empty now because we don't have any data yet. The last panel in the bottom right shows your plots, your installed packages, and the help pages. More on that later. You can customize the appearance of these panels by dragging their edges to adjust their size, and if you prefer a more colorful or darker tone, change the RStudio theme in the appearance menu. Just play around a bit and find out what you like. Okay, this is it. You successfully set up RStudio and are now ready to begin coding in R.